Renters make up over 43 million U.S. households, so it's clear that home security isn't just for homeowners. If you, like me, are currently renting your home, here are the top 5 things you need to know about home security. Burglars hit renters more often. The latest stats show that renters see 33 burglaries per 1,000 versus 18 for homeowners. That's nearly double the number of burglars that are targeting renters. Your rented home should already come with the basics. Give your rental a security once-over and make sure that all windows and doors have working locks. All entryways should be well lit, including garages, stairwells, trash rooms, mail rooms, and hallways, especially if you live in a bigger complex. And all external security measures should be enforced and not easy to circumvent. Look for gaps in security, like a key card for the garage entry, but no security measure to go from the garage into the building. And if you find any issues with these security basics, contact your landlord or property manager and get them fixed ASAP. You don't need a lot of money to upgrade your security. Whether you want to add a deadbolt, a smart lock, security camera, or even a full-on home security system, you can get started for under $100, depending on what you want. Here are some shopping tips to keep you on budget. Look for DIY wireless equipment that you can install on your own. Shop around, compare prices, features, and both expert and customer reviews to help gauge if a security device is going to be worth the money. And check for monthly subscriptions. Many security cams and systems come with monthly subscriptions to get things like push notifications and cloud storage. And finally, don't go overboard. Identify your security needs and stick to a plan. Don't get swayed by persuasive salespeople who want to turn your rental into Fort Knox. There may be laws or rules around adding security to your rental. From provisions in your lease to security camera privacy laws, make sure keeping burglars out isn't going to invite other trouble in. Find out what's allowed when it comes to things like upgrading your deadbolt or putting in a doorbell or peephole camera. Using a nanny cam or other device inside your home shouldn't be a problem. Get more info on Safewise.com. I've given you a whirlwind of home security tips and advice if you're a renter, but this is really just the tip of the iceberg, and I'm not going to leave you hanging. On Safewise.com and right here on this channel, we've got everything from how to decipher security camera rules and laws in your state to how to change out a deadbolt. Plus, we've already tested and tried a bunch of wireless security systems, smart locks, and security cameras to help you see which ones are going to be best for you. And we've got the best cheap picks too. Just remember, renting doesn't mean you can't own your home security strategy. Hey, thanks for watching, and for more safety tips, reviews, and advice, head on over to Safewise.com or stay tuned right here for our next video.